guys, welcome to my channel. So if you're new to my channel, consider subscribing because I am filming so many videos during this quarantine time. I'm going to keep you entertained, busy, and we will also declutter your home so that you live happy. And so today's video I'm going to tell you 4 or 5 things by which you can actually declutter your home. So if you want to know those tips and things that are cluttering your home, please keep on watching the video. The first thing is excessive decorative things. Now जब हम घर लेते हैं या हम घर में शिफ्ट होते हैं, we just go crazy and then we buy so many things to make sure our home is looking beautiful, make sure our home is very decorative. Please don't do this. बहुत ज़्यादा excessive decorative item doesn't look good, trust me. It makes it look very cluttered, and then you will see the most modern houses are very minimal and they have very less things but classy things, and it looks very good and then it looks clutter free. The second thing is kitchen countertop. You will see हमारे किचन के काउंटरटॉप में इतनी सारी चीज़ें रहती हैं और फिर वो बहुत ही क्लटर लगता है. तो just have essentials that you are using on a daily basis. Only those essentials should be on your countertop, like your tea, salt, sugar, oil, and some decorative plants, like a small plant you can have, but not more than that. If you keep more than that, it looks really cluttered. So just give everything their home and keep them there. The next thing is now by looking at Pinterest, फैशन ब्लॉगर, इंस्टाग्राम ब्लॉगर, हमें भी बहुत सारे थ्रो पिलोज़ लेने की हैबिट हो गई है. हमें अच्छा लगता है कि हमारे पास भी बहुत थ्रो पिलोज़ रहे. बट जस्ट थिंक इट गर्ल्स, आर यू रियली यूजिंग दोज थ्रो पिलोज़? यू आर सीरियसली just throwing them away when you're going to sleep or when you're sitting down, so it has no use at all. So I think you should only have throw pillows which are actually useful and you're using yourself. Otherwise it's of no use, just throw them away. Now next thing is paper clutter. So अब डिजिटल दुनिया में अगर आप अब भी हर चीज़ पेपर रख के कर रहे हैं और आपके पास हर चीज़ bills and your pamphlet, your newspapers are in paper form, you're simply collecting paper clutter which are of no use. Please go digital. It is going to make your home a lot clutter free. Next, for my mommies, if you have a small baby, you will know कि आपकी बेबी के पास नहीं भी तो 10,000 टॉयज़ हैं जो कि आधे टूटे हुए हैं, आधे चलते नहीं हैं, आधे पता नहीं कहाँ हैं. तो बहुत बेटर है कि जिन टॉयज़ के साथ आपका बेबी प्ले नहीं करता है, प्लीज़ डोनेट देम, प्लीज़ गिव देम to someone who cannot buy toys, and this way your home will be also clutter free. And do you really need 10,000 toys in your home? Please think about it. And yeah, this was my quick video during quarantine to keep your home clutter free. If you find this video is helpful, please like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
So, if you're new to my channel, consider subscribing, like, comment, share, and I have really, मुझे अब याद हो चुका है ये पूरा like, comment, share. And